Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a return on Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer need to return an item because it actually ended up working. How do you actually go ahead and cancel a return? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is first you're going to go into your Temu account. Then on the upper right hand corner, you're going to click on orders and account. And then from here, you're going to navigate to where it says returns. So once you click on returns, this right here is a return that's been requested. So in order to cancel it, you're going to click on return details and then click on cancel return. So you're going to receive a prompt that says, are you sure to cancel this request? And then just click on yes, cancel return. So there you have it. Now the return has been canceled. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cancel a return on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.